Okay, everyone. So for the first activity, we are going to figure out which letter is wrong, okay? Because in our three-letter words, we know that they have a beginning sound. In the middle is our vowel because we have learned that vowel sounds go in the middle, and then we will have an ending sound. So do you guys see here? This girl is hiding. I want to make the word hid, hid, like the girl hid behind the tree. Now, one of these letters is wrong. Does anybody know which letter is wrong? Is it the beginning letter? Is it the middle letter? Or is it the ending sound? Yes, Afreen, which letter is wrong?
The first one.
Oh, the beginning sound. Yes, because right now this says bid, and this is not bid. So the B is wrong, right? What letter should go there, Afreen, if I want to make the word hid? What letter should go there?
H.
That's correct.
Yes, nice job. So now we have the word. What is this word, Afreen?
Hid.
Yes, like Afreen hid behind the tree. Okay, nice job. Okay, everyone, here I want to make the word sa-i-x. Oh, does anybody know which letter is wrong over here? Do you see it? Yeah, I think I see you see it. Which letter is wrong over here? The beginning, the middle, or end? Or you can just tell me the letter that is wrong.
The letter is wrong because there is S.
Oh, well, this letter does go sa, right? Because I want to make the
Tell us
word.
the spelling of six.
Oh.
S. I. X.
So
is the
which
next-
letter should
No,
go?
that's T. That's sip.
Yeah.
Yeah, this word is sip. Yes, Adya. So this letter, the ending letter is wrong, right? Yes. So now, what letter did you say goes there, Adya? Sa-ix.
6.
Yeah, what letter should go there?
X.
Okay,
correct.
now we got it. Good job, Adya. So now our word is correct. Before it said sip, now it says 6. Good. Okay, here I want to make the word la-i-p. Which letter is wrong, considering we are going over the short vowel I words? Yes, Yuvan, which letter is wrong?
A.
Right, this says lap. This is not a lap, right? Your lap is in your lap, not on your lip. So the vowel is wrong. So what vowel should go there, Yuvano? Ip. What vowel are we learning this month, Yuvan?
I.
That's correct.
Yes, and what word is this now, Yuvano?
Lip.
Good. Nice. Okay, next one. I'm trying to make the word fin. Does anybody see what letter is wrong over here? In. Yajva, do you know which letter is wrong? Which letter?
X.
Yes, the ending sound is wrong, right? Right now, do you know what this word says right now, Yajva? Right now it says fix.
X.
Yeah, that word says fix. So the X needs to go bye-bye. And what letter should go there, Yajva, to make the word in? Which letter is there?
N.
Yeah, what letter should go there? In. Letter makes a n.
N.
Yes.
That's correct.
And now we have the word. What is this word, Yajva?
Pin.
Yes, good. Yajva answered all the questions. Okay, here I want to make the word clip, but that does not say clip. Yes, Abzar, you must know what is wrong. What letters should I go bye here? Yeah, the beginning letter is wrong, right? Goodbye, S. What letters should go there, Abzar? Cl.
C.
Cl. What two letters?
C.
Good job. Okay, very good. All right, I want to make the word oh no, which letter is wrong over here? If I'm trying to make the word win, let me ask Bishop. Do you know which letter is wrong over here? Which letter is wrong? Say it again. Yes, the D is wrong because right now this says din. There's no word like din. What letter should go there, Bishop? Which letter makes a w sound?
That's correct.
Oh my goodness. And what word did we make now, Bishop? What is this word?
Win.
Yes, you win. You got it. Okay, let's try another example. Oh my gosh. I am trying to make the word slip. Do you think this word says slip? No, right? Which letter is wrong over here? Ariab, can you tell me which letter is wrong? Slip.
Which letter is wrong?
T.
Yeah, the ending sound is wrong, right? Right now this says slit. I wanted to make slip. So what letter should go there, Ariab? Which letter makes a p sound?
P.
P.
That's
Good.
correct.
And now what is this word, Ariab?
Slip.
Good job. Yes, this man has slipped. Hopefully he did not get hurt. Okay, friends. I want to make the word drip to make the word drip. Does anybody know which letter is wrong over here? Is it the beginning letter? Is it the middle letter? Or is it the end? Yes, Yuvan, which letter is wrong?
O.
Right. Right now this says drop. And if I want to make the word drip, what letter should I put there, Yuvan? Drip. What vowel are we learning?
I.
Yeah.
That's
What letter is
correct.
that?
I.
Yes. And now our word is what, Yuvan? Drip.
Drip.
Yes, like when the water drips out. Drip, drip. Okay, very good. Okay, friends, I want to make the word kit. Which letter is wrong over here if I want to make the word kit? Who thinks they know? Yes, Afreen, which letter should go bye-bye?
The front.
The first letter. Yes, this says bit. I want to make it into the word kit. Okay, let me ask a different friend. Adya, which letter should go there if I'm trying to make the word
No sound.
K.
Yeah, now
That's
we have this
correct.
word. What is this word, Adya?
Kit.
Yes, like a first aid kit. Very nice. Okay, last one. I want to make the word it. It. Bishop, can you tell me which letter is wrong over here if I want to make the word sit? Yes, right? Because right now this says pit, and this is not a pit. So the P should go by. Now let me ask my friend Arya, which letter should go there if I want to make the word sit? Sa.
S.
That's correct.
Okay, now we have the word sit. Good job, everyone. So this one was going over all of the letter sounds, beginning, middle, and end. That is very important when we are learning how to read.